Hello again, environmental science. So here I am to talk about the syllabus. So right under classwork, you will find the course resources link. I'll put things here that will help you get through the course. So the first thing and the only thing here is syllabus so far. So let's click on it. I already have it open right up here in my million tabs. So this is the syllabus for environmental science for this year. You guys have my email. It comes up automatically. You guys know the drill. A through G course. This course actually is cool, and I don't know if I noted it in here, but it satisfies either the physical or the biological requirements for A through G and for graduation, so that's pretty cool. Prep period starting 3rd and 6th. Come see me if you need help. Course goals right here. The cool thing about environmental science, I think, is it's interdisciplinary, so it covers most of the sciences, and you're kind of looking at anything that has to do with the earth and the environment and applying that. And another cool thing is you kind of look at solutions and you kind of draw connections. So one thing I really want, this is a 3rd year course or 4th year course for some of you. I want you guys to become independent learners. I want you to be thinking in this class, not just like spitting out answers. I want you to really reflect and think. So that's something I tried to relay in these course goals. Our textbook, we're getting a new one. We don't actually have enough copies, so we may use them in class, but I'll be using Actively Learn and a lot of notes and supplemental things. I actually use a fair amount of videos too. So, and here's some of the areas of study. We will be getting outside a fair amount, hopefully more than in the past. 95% for the grading policy consists of test quizzes, labs, homework, classwork, all of that in one big pile of points for you. And then 5% is the college and career readiness, and I'll go over that down below in a second. All right, and grading scale is standard. My scale actually 89.6. That will bump up to an A, so 79.6 bumps up to a B, and so on. So do your best work and keep those grades up high. Typically, I have high grades in environmental science because you guys kind of know how to study by this point and you know what I expect. So there will be extra credit offered, but not more than 5% of your grade. All right. So college and career readiness, and I'm just noticing I need to underline that. So 5% of your grade is for college and career readiness, and that, I think it's actually 7 P's. Be prepared, punctual, productive, positive, polite, participate, and be appropriate. So I added that other one, poetic license, but do all of those things and you will do well and be successful in this class. Hopefully turn in your work and do well. Homework due Fridays at 11:59, but the big thing here is at the end of each unit. I don't take late work after that, all right? And don't cut because you won't be able to make up your work, all right? And then there's a little blurb about late work. So, turn it in up to the end of the unit, and I'll try to have those dates posted, especially as we're approaching it. My advice is keep up to date. Don't wait to try to get all of the unit work done the day before it's due, because one advantage of turning in your work on time is if I grade it, I can get it back to you. A lot of times I'll ask you to fix it or add more detail or give me some more of your own thoughts. If you turn it in right before the unit closes, you don't have that advantage, all right? All right, copy and cheating. Don't do it. Don't have the same words that someone else has on their paper, even if you did it together. Write your own words, unless it's specifically an assignment that says you can work in partners and only turn in one paper. All right. Otherwise, do your own work, please. No devices allowed without permission. For you guys, I'll have a little more leeway if you're doing independent work and things like that. If you guys are staying focused and doing your work, and it's your own work time, I'm not going to hassle you too much. But if you're not doing your work and you're just on your phone playing games, that's a problem, right? Be responsible. No food in here, sorry. That's it, especially COVID this year. Hoods, headphones, when I'm talking, no headphones. Hoods, I want to see your faces. I miss your faces. I can't see your faces because of the mask, so no hoods, please. And then when we do labs, you guys know the drill. Be safe, right? Horseplay, you guys know that's a way to really make me mad if you do horseplay during labs, so don't do it. Oh, and it's time for me to hit pause or be done with this video because the light went out. Okay, that's the syllabus overview. Let me know if you have any questions, and here it is again. Have a great